checkered shirt, forward.
Over here, Mr. Willie Nelson. You better come get me. Okay, there. Get out of the shot. Stay there.
Alright, is there like a family salute or no?
Oh, it's a middle finger.
Oh, no! Annie Nelson is here?
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Oh, hi, Nick.
Hey,
Hi, Willie, how are you? Happy birthday.
thank you.
Do you mind if we put a mic on for this when we give you your birthday cake? No, it's all off.
Our boss really wanted to make it tonight. This morning he was talking about how badly he wanted to get a picture with you. But his wife is being honored by the Make-A-Wish Foundation. He did that